What is guaranteed replacement cost in home insurance? Hi there. I'm Alex from Begin Insurance. You know your home is valuable, but do you know what it would actually cost to rebuild if something happened to it? Many homeowners assume their insurance will cover the full cost of rebuilding, but standard coverage may have limits. Construction costs rise, materials get more expensive, and suddenly, your coverage may not be enough. That's where guaranteed replacement cost comes in. With this coverage, your insurance will cover the full cost of rebuilding your home, even if it's higher than your policy limit. Let's break it down. Standard home insurance only pays up to your policy limit. But with guaranteed replacement cost, even if prices go up, you're fully covered. But there's something important to know. To qualify, your home needs to be insured for its accurate rebuild value. That means keeping your policy updated. Guaranteed replacement cost can give you real peace of mind, knowing that no matter what happens, your home can be rebuilt. Not sure if your home is covered properly? Get in touch with us today at 905-482-6666 or visit our website www.begininsurance.ca to get a quick home insurance quote. And we'll make sure you're protected. Begin Insurance, begin your tomorrow, today.